Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel SM Wisdom. Friends, deciphering someone's feelings can be a tricky business, especially when it comes to the matters of the heart. Often, body language speaks louder than words, and it can be a treasure trove of clues when it comes to figuring out if someone is falling in love with you. In this video, I'll share 9 subtle, yet telling, body language signs that hint at blossoming affection. So get ready to play detective and discover if your special someone is really falling for you. But before we unravel these fascinating signs, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to decode the mysteries of love through body language. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Number 1. Eye contact. Eyes are often called the windows to the soul, and there's a good reason for it. When someone is falling in love with you, they may not be able to help but maintain a deep and prolonged eye contact. It's almost as if they're trying to memorize your face or simply can't get enough of looking at you. Why does this happen? Well, it's all down to our biology. When we're attracted to someone, our pupils tend to dilate. This isn't something we can control, it just happens. But remember, while it's a good sign, it's not definitive proof. There are plenty of other factors to consider, so take this as one piece of the puzzle rather than the whole picture. Number 2. The touch barrier. Physical contact can be a significant indicator of someone's feelings towards you, and it's something I've experienced myself. I remember when I first started falling for my partner, I found myself constantly looking for excuses to touch him. It could be as simple as a light touch on the arm while laughing at a joke he made, or subtly brushing against his hand when passing him a cup of coffee. These weren't just casual, friendly touches. They were a way of expressing my growing affection for him, even before I was ready to put it into words. But again, context is key. Make sure it's not just friendly affection before jumping to conclusions. Number 3. Mirroring movements. Have you ever noticed that when you spend a lot of time with someone, you start to mimic their habits, gestures, or even their speech patterns? This is known as mirroring, and it's a subconscious way we connect with others. In the realm of romantic relationships, mirroring can be even more pronounced. When someone is falling in love, they might start to copy your gestures, your posture, or the way you talk without even realizing it. This is because our brains are wired to promote empathy and bonding by mirroring the actions of those we feel close to. Number 4. Leaning in. Body orientation is another subtle cue to look out for when trying to decipher someone's feelings. When a person is interested in what you have to say and wants to connect with you on a deeper level, they'll instinctively lean in while you're talking. It's a non-verbal way of saying, "I'm engaged, I'm interested, and I want to be close to you." If your special someone consistently leans towards you during conversations, it indicates that they're genuinely interested in you and what you have to say. This could be a sign that they're falling in love, or at the very least, that they're deeply captivated by you. Number 5. Frequent smiles. It might sound cliché, but there's a lot of truth in the saying that love makes you smile. When someone is falling in love, they can't help but smile more often around the person they're enamored with. It's a natural response to the happiness and excitement that love brings. Look for genuine smiles that reach their eyes. These are the ones that are hard to fake and often indicate true happiness and affection. Number 6. Open body language. When a person is comfortable with you, trusts you, and is developing deeper feelings, they tend to be more relaxed and open in their body posture. There's no crossing of arms or legs as a barrier, but instead an openness that invites you into their personal space. This vulnerability can be incredibly heartwarming to witness. It's like they're silently saying, "I trust you enough to let my guard down." Number 7. Noticeable nervousness. Despite what the movies might suggest, falling in love can be a nerve-wracking experience. I remember when I was falling for my now husband, I was often anxious around him, constantly worrying about saying or doing the wrong thing. If you notice that someone often seems nervous or slightly fidgety around you, it might not be because they're uncomfortable. Rather, it could be because they're falling in love, and are afraid of messing things up. Look for signs like fidgeting with their clothes, frequent hand movements, or even stuttering. These can all point to the adorable nervousness that often comes with falling in love. Number 8. The lingering glance. Sometimes a look can say more than words ever could. When someone is falling for you, they might find themselves stealing glances at you when they think you're not looking. And when your eyes meet, instead of quickly looking away, they might hold your gaze just a moment longer. This lingering glance can be a subtle expression of their growing affection for you. It's as if they're trying to communicate their feelings without saying a word. Number 9. The full attention focus. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with distractions, giving someone your undivided attention is a powerful sign of affection and respect. When someone is falling in love, they often focus their entire attention on the object of their affection. They'll listen intently when you speak, respond thoughtfully, and make you feel like you're the only person in the room. This level of focused attention is not just flattering, it's an indication of deep emotional connection. Conclusion. Love, in all its complexity, is a beautiful dance of emotions, words, and most tellingly, body language. It's in the subtle gestures, the barely there touches, and the lingering glances that we often reveal our deepest feelings. These signs, subtle as they may be, can serve as whispers from the heart. They're unspoken languages of affection that can help you discern if someone is falling in love with you. Yet, it's vital to remember that everyone expresses love differently. These signs are not a definitive checklist, but rather indicators to guide you. At the end of the day, the most significant sign of love is respect and genuine care for each other's well-being. If you see this reflected in your interactions with your special someone, it could very well be that they're falling for you. As you venture on this journey of love and discovery, take these signs to heart, but also trust your intuition. After all, when it comes to matters of the heart, sometimes our instincts guide us best. Dear viewers, if you found this video helpful or enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more relationship insights and psychology tips. Have you noticed any of these body language signs in your interactions with others? Or perhaps you have your own experiences to share? We'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, sometimes love speaks volumes without a single word. Until next time, take care, stay observant, and may your relationships be filled with love and understanding. Goodbye for now.